This video shows taking a blood sample from a goat, which is normally done for testing for CAE and Johne's disease. I'm wiping the skin with methylated spirits and cotton wool. This goat is a bit hairy, so it would be slightly more difficult. I'm palpating the area to find the jugular vein. The vacuum container needle is inserted into the holder. The vacuum container is added. It's adjusted until blood flows and fills up the pre-labelled vacuum container. Pressure is applied to jugular to prevent bleeding. Chlorhexidine is sprayed on the area in case any blood is present that may be infectious to other goats.